Captiva Island, South Seas Resorts. Sitting here on this huge shell pile, seeing if there's anything good. Found a couple goodies. Oh, look at that scallop. That's a beautiful purple colored scallop. Water's kind of calm today on this side of the ocean, the beach. The other side is pretty choppy. There's another wormy. Yay! Tip of a worm shell. Ah, bummer. Tip of a tulip. Don't imagine I'm going to find any whole tulips with a... Well, all these shells are small. I don't know if you can see it, but there's the shell line right now. So its low tide is going down. So if the tide would go down, we could shell that one. I could shell it if I wanted right now, but I'll be honest, I don't really like getting in the water too much. More of us showing the dry piles. Just an itty bitty cockle. And then, oh, that's a pretty, just plain old white scallop. I think I'm gonna go back to the other side. I thought if I was on this side, my shadow wouldn't be as bad. But I forget, the sun is coming up, not going down. There's another baby cockle. See, this is like a broken one. Is that a piece of a junior? I don't know, maybe. Or is it a tulip? I don't know. Just in case. I don't think he's having any fishing luck today. Today is our 11th anniversary. We have been married for 11 years. We actually came back to Captiva because that's where our honeymoon was. It was a lot of fun. 11 years ago. I don't know what that is. I'm not sure. It's pretty. We'll keep it. I was hoping Robert would have more fishing luck, but it's kind of hard when a hurricane's coming in. Oh, I think I see another pretty purple pinkish scallop. There's another smaller cockle. Another small oyster with a shell attached. Ooh, that's a big... Oh, it's broken. It's too bad. That would have been a big mermaid scallop. There's another piece of an oyster. Oh, I thought that was an olive. It is not. These are like, I forget what they're called, like, oh, someone told me on one of my videos. You'd think I'd remember these names as much as I shall. My memory's not the best suit. Another cockle. A lot of cockles this trip. They're not big. Remember in May I got a bunch of big ones. These are all small ones. Definitely small shells here. Nothing wrong with that. They fill up jars quite nicely. There's my husband fishing. Go bug him in a minute, see how he did. Ooh, look at that. Oh, it's broken, but that's still cool. I'll keep it a little, kind of like a snail shell. There's another little coffin. Lots and lots of little shells. No one's really on the beach yet. Pretty quiet morning so far.